Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am going to teach you how to make Google form. So first of all, you have to make sure that you are signed in with your Google account on which you are going to make your Google form. So it is your specific account. Only that account will have the access and authorization to edit this form, unless you give someone permission to do so. After making sure that you are logged in to the Google account, go to the top right corner and this Google Apps icon and click it, and at the bottom of it you will find an icon named Forms, and click it and Google Forms UI will open. So in this UI user interface, click on the top left corner blank document. So you click it, and then an untitled form will open. Then after creating your new Google form, you have to add title or any specific name to your form. It can be the name of your thesis or anything on which you are collecting your data or doing a survey. And on the description, you will provide basic information of the survey or about your form. So just click on this untitled heading and name your form. After providing specific heading and a description to your Google form, you can see that on the right side there is a bar which has certain options. So at the top, it is first one is add question. This, if you click this, you can add a question. So after adding this question page, you can type any question like what is your age? Okay, your age. And after typing the specific question, you can ask what type of answer do you want. So in order to do this, you have to click this icon on this right side of your question, and you can ask your respondents which type of answer they should provide you. So there are certain options like multiple choice, short course answer, paragraph, checkbox, drop down, and they all have different importance. Like multiple choice going to provide certain choices to them, like 15 to 20 years, 20 to 25 years, and 25 above. And you can again click on this add option icon, and you can again type any value or any specific age you want. In short answer and paragraph, you cannot determine any specific value. So the respondent can type whatever he or she wants. And then after checkbox is almost the same thing. Linear scale provides you the option to determine the value or intensity of the value between 1 to 10. So let's suppose your age 1 is near 10 years old, and 10 is near 70 years old. So you have to provide your answer in ranging between 1 to 10. So the more closer you go to 1 means you are of younger age, and the more closer you go to 10, which means you are more closer to 70. Then there is the option to add section. If you click this option, you can add a different section. Let's suppose you have a lot of variables in your thesis. Then a separate section is for a separate variable. Let's suppose for age, gender, and the characteristics of human being, you can add the section of demographics. Uh, Demographics, in which you will ask questions related to uh, age, uh, age, gender, education, and etc. So you can just yeah, so you can ask whatever question you want in this demographic section. Please remember to tick this required option, because it will because this option will not let the respondent leave any question unfilled. It will not enable the respondent to progress further without filling the question. So like this you can add multiple other sections depending upon amount of your variables, and in those sections you can add multiple other questions. And it is limitless. It is the option is limitless, and you can add you can add as much as you want. So this is how you are going to basically make your Google form. I have already made a Google form to show you as an example, and I have collected some responses. So I will show you how to collect data from this Google form. So this is my Google form, effect of e-devices on human being. So at first I'm asking the age, gender, and education of the respondents. And in this form, I have different variables like insomnia, and each variable have different questions. At the at the top, so at the top of this form, above the heading, you can see the responses icon, and if you click here, you are going to you are going to see your responses. So this is a brief summary about your responses, and it is shown in charts and some numerical data like age 127 people have responded to my this age question, and 67% or 86 people were aged between 20 to 25, and 11% or at least 20 people were aged below 20. So this is basic summary of your form. You can see it all in this responses section. In this so after summary, you can check the individual responses of the respondents. Like this question number 4 was difficulty falling asleep, question number 5 was difficulty staying asleep, and 2 was gendered, and etc. And then after that you can check the response of each individual. Respondent number 1, this is how he filled his form. After that you can click in this icon, view in sheet, and open your Google form in MS Excel. uh, so this is the all of your data collected through your Google form. So you can download all of these responses by clicking at the top left this file button, and then download it as MS Excel. And I'm going to download it in the desktop and save. So it is now downloaded in MS Excel. Open, and now here you can edit your Google form in any way you want. So this is how you make a Google form. Some pro tips, like you can give rights of this form to other person by just clicking these three buttons and adding a collaborator, and you will just have to type his email address here, and then click done, and that person will also have rights to edit this form. In order to send this form to other people so they can fill it, you can just copy at the link at the top, and control C, and you can send it to anyone you want. Shit. Hope you understood this process. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.